What if a robot could improve itself? Not through updates, but through experience. China has just revealed a self-evolving AI robot called WOW, and it could change the future of robotics faster than anyone expected. China revealed WOW without flashy trailers or dramatic marketing campaigns. There were no cinematic sci-fi videos showing robots running cities. There were no exaggerated promises about instant world-changing power. Instead, researchers focused on a calm and serious demonstration. They showed what the robot could actually do in the real world. WOW was placed into practical environments rather than perfect labs. It was given real tasks instead of scripted demos. It was allowed to fail in front of observers. WOW carefully observed its surroundings. It analyzed outcomes step by step. It learned directly from mistakes as they happened. Then it adjusted its behavior without waiting for human updates. This quiet and confident reveal surprised many experts. It felt realistic, controlled, and mature. That approach made WOW stand out from most robot announcements we see today. Most robots today are trained once and then deployed. They can only perform tasks they were programmed to do in advance. Their abilities remain mostly fixed after launch. If something goes wrong, engineers must step in. They collect data. They rewrite code. They send out updates. WOW operates in a very different way. It relies on continuous learning instead of one-time training. That means learning does not stop after activation. WOW constantly gathers data from real-world interactions. It studies success and failure. It compares different outcomes. It runs internal simulations to test improvements safely. Then it applies the best solutions to itself. Over time, WOW becomes faster, more accurate, and more efficient. This learning process is closer to how humans improve skills through repetition. That is why scientists describe WOW as self-evolving rather than simply self-updating. WOW combines multiple AI systems that work together simultaneously. Each system has a specific role. Computer vision allows WOW to recognize objects, people, and spaces. Language models help it understand spoken and written instructions. Reinforcement learning helps it decide which action to take next. When WOW makes a mistake, it does not panic or reset randomly. It records what went wrong. It studies body position and movement timing. It adjusts grip strength and motion angles. It changes speed and direction when necessary. Each attempt feeds new data into the system. Mistakes turn into learning signals. Successful actions become preferred behaviors. With every cycle, performance improves slightly. Over time, these small improvements add up. This is what gives WOW its self-evolving nature. Traditional robots perform best in controlled environments. Factories are predictable. Warehouses follow fixed layouts. Homes, streets, hospitals, and disaster zones are different. Unexpected situations happen constantly. Objects move, people act unpredictably. Conditions change without warning. WOW is designed to handle uncertainty. It can adjust to uneven surfaces. It can respond to unplanned obstacles. It can recover when a task fails. It can attempt new actions without full retraining. Because WOW adapts in real time, it needs less human supervision. This could transform delivery services. It could assist doctors and nurses. It could help care for elderly individuals. It could support rescue operations during emergencies. It could even assist future space exploration missions. The more unpredictable the environment, the more valuable WOW becomes. China has invested heavily in artificial intelligence research. WOW represents more than a single robot. It signals a shift in how advanced AI systems may be built. The focus is no longer only on larger models or bigger datasets. The focus is now on independence and adaptability. Systems that learn continuously may innovate faster than humans can guide them. This excites researchers, startups, and global tech companies. But it also raises serious concerns. Who is responsible for an AI that changes over time? How do regulators evaluate a system that never stays the same? How do engineers test safety for machines that evolve? These questions are becoming increasingly urgent. WOW has forced the global tech community to confront them. The benefits of self-evolving robots are powerful. They learn faster than traditional machines. They adapt to new environments quickly. They reduce the need for constant software updates. They work alongside humans more naturally. They may lower long-term operating costs. But there are risks. Self-learning systems are harder to predict. They require strict safety limits. They must operate within clearly defined boundaries. They need continuous monitoring. Researchers say WOW cannot change its core goals. It cannot operate outside approved environments. Even with these limits, the technology pushes into unknown territory. Balancing innovation and safety will be critical. WOW shows where artificial intelligence is heading. AI systems that learn continuously. AI that adapts in real time. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about Search GPT. This is Artificial Atomena, where imagination meets intelligence.